Hello everybody, let's take a look at my new headphones, the Nothing Ear 1 by Nothing Technologies, a newer company based out of London. They did a collaboration actually with Teenage Engineering to tune these headphones, which is why I was interested in them. They've also manufactured these pocket operator mini sampler, audio toy type devices, as well as some pretty well-known synthesizer equipment. So I'm expecting some pretty decent things here for the $99 that these cost. So let's jump in and unbox these bad boys. Alright, let's see how we open this. Looks like there's a open tab right here. That's pretty nice, I gotta say. That is how everything should open. There's the box again. It's nice small packaging. I'm getting fingerprints all over it. Something tells me this is how I get the rest of it off. Pretty unique, actually. I don't think I've ever had a consumer electronic open like this. Maybe like food, but it's been decapitated. Just comes out in a silver box. Nice little vacuum seal. And then there they are. Get a little closer look here. Take them out. There's the clear headphones with the clear carrying case, USB-C charging, some regulatory stuff on the back. It's a very cool design. Anything else in here? Probably maybe a charging cable, maybe not. Yep, this looks like Type-C, labeled as such. And here is some additional ear tips, because it is an in-ear silicone tip. It's not focusing very well, but you get the idea. This looks like documentation. Little instructions on how to use the features. What do we got here? This looks like generic warranty in multi-languages. Yep. It's got a magnetic clasps here. It's pretty satisfying. Looks like a green LED, so it knows when it's open. Yep. Seems pretty nice quality. You can compare it to another set of headphones. Just give me a sec here. Right, here's my previous set of headphones, the Jabra Elite 65T, just for some comparison. I guess it's technically a bigger case, but it's small enough that it doesn't really matter. I can take this out to do a little headphone size comparison here. Pretty similar in size. These have a little bit longer stems. Let's get them side by side here. So they seem a little bit smaller, but with a longer stem. It's got more of a polished plastic feel to them compared to this is more of a smooth matte feel. See if I can get it to focus. Very cool design. Using the Nothing app, the pairing process is pretty straightforward. You just open the case and hold down the side button as indicated in the step-by-step instructions within the app, and then effectively your phone, I used an iPhone in this case, is going to discover it just like any other Bluetooth pair of headphones. Grimy profile shots aside, here's the Ear One in action. A double tap will pause and unpause whatever you're listening to. Go. So my impressions after about a day and a half of use are pretty solid. I'm not like an audiophile. I don't have the right terms to really criticize this audio in any meaningful way, but for most average headphone users, it's very solid. It'll be extremely balanced, not too bassy, but nothing will fall particularly flat either. There's kind of a tech enthusiast pedigree in these headphones that I like. It's part of the reason I opted to purchase them, and for the price point, they're very good. Um, I'm new to having active noise cancellation in earbuds like this, so when I used them in, like, say, a busy grocery store the other day when I was shopping, it was very impressive to see how muted all exterior sounds became after utilizing that feature. So overall, I'm very impressed with this headset, and I'll include a brief audio sample so you can hear what the mic sounds like. It's typical cell phone quality audio there, like as if you were taking a phone call. Remarkable, but overall, very satisfied with these headphones.